What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Samuele Nocentini, and today we are installing a Volant cold air intake on my 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. So we've already got a tune done here, a Paradigm, so we're going to install this and see how the car reacts to it. We should gain a bit of horsepower, definitely get some good sound from it, and eventually we'll have it on the dyno and see the real output in horsepower to the wheel and such. I'm going to start disassembling here. We'll have to take the engine cover off and disassemble the stock air intake and pretty much just swap it with the Volant one. And we'll bring you through the process of that. We have all our pieces already laid out here and the tools we'll need for the procedure. Once this is out, we'll put the new one in and take it for a test drive, and we'll get the sound as well before and after. Yeah, so we just finished taking everything out, and yeah, it's like literally a 10-minute job, and I'm going to check the instructions there. It's pretty straightforward. We'll have the conduct intake there. We'll have to place all the air filter and the cover here, and connect the connector back, of course, and we'll be good to roll. The kit comes with a few hoses and adapters for this side intake here, but we decided to go with just simple hose clamps. It's way cleaner and gets the job done. It's way nicer like that. So we're left, we need to just install the air intake in the cover here and put everything in. We connected this is a clamp, you'll see it goes right with this one here. This is in the stock car, and it connects there and it holds everything in position, and then just connect everything and we'll be done. We just finished installing the whole kit. As you can see, everything went in very nicely. It's of course meant for this year of Camaro, and I have to say that they did a pretty good job. It's very solid here, like I'm shaking it with a bit of force there, and it's like that's not going anywhere. And we have just left to put the mass airflow sensor, and for everyone at home, you want to be particularly careful with this, leave it at last, and make sure to not make it come in contact with any liquid or dust or any contaminant, because it's very sensible, and it's very important to install it in a kind of clean and sterile environment. So yeah, we're just going to disassemble it from the old air filter right here. Just a couple of screws, as you can see. We'll slide it in to the new one and connect the gasket right there, and we'll be good to go.
Are they going? They're not grabbing.
Unfortunately, the set comes with these screws, which are too short for the sensor there. So you can screw them in, but they're not going to grab on the tube here. So we had to handcraft our own. We took the length we needed, and we built a couple ones, which we will screw in, just plug the sensor in, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, for who's interested, this won't do it. So yeah, that's the only thing wrong with the set so far. But small adjustment we can fix. Just finished, we screwed everything in, so we're just going to grab the engine cover here. Gave it a nice clean yesterday, so it's all nice and shiny. There we go, so that should be back in place, and that's how it looks right there. So we're going to get a nice start, so you guys can tell the difference before and after. And yeah, we'll see how she goes. Okay. Just finished installing everything. Cold air intake went in nicely, pretty good setup. Everything worked out except for those little screws, but that was an easy fix. So now we're just on the road, and we'll see how the car handles. It sounds quite better. The exhaust note is pretty strong as well now, a bit even louder than before, but we'll see how she does. And you can really hear it from outside. It's very, very cool. And it puts a smile on my face, which is always good. It really pulls nicely, very linear pull. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe as usual, and yeah, that was install of the Volant cold air intake on a 2010 Camaro. So I'll see you in the next one, okay? Peace out. That sounds good, Alice. Nothing better. That cold drink.
Medicine.